Mastering the art of polite requests with would. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we are focusing on an important part of English communication, making requests. More specifically, we will dive into how to form polite requests using the modal verb, would. So, sit tight and get ready to add another powerful tool to your English language toolkit. Before we delve into the specifics of forming requests, let's refresh our understanding of the word would. Would is a modal verb used in English for a variety of purposes, including invitations, offers, requests, and more. It's an essential part of our language, particularly when it comes to expressing politeness. To make a request with would, we typically use the structure would you plus verb, base form. For example, would you pass the salt? Would you help me with my homework? Remember, using would instead of will or can makes the request sound more polite and less direct. It's an excellent way to be respectful, especially in more formal situations. If you want to make your request even more polite or softer, you can add the words possibly or perhaps after would. The structure becomes would you possibly, perhaps plus verb, base form. For instance, would you possibly lend me your book? Would you perhaps turn down the music? The addition of possibly or perhaps makes the request sound less assertive, hence more polite. The negative form of a request using would is structured as would you not plus verb, base form. However, it's important to note that this form is not commonly used as it can come across as quite direct or even rude. Instead, we often use would you mind plus verb in ing form to make the request sound more polite. For example, would you mind not smoking in this area? Would you mind not making so much noise? And that's it. That's how you make polite requests with would. With practice, this will soon become second nature to you, and you'll find it easy to make requests that are polite and respectful. Remember, using would can add that extra layer of courtesy that is often appreciated in both personal and professional situations. Thanks for tuning in and happy learning. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.